Hi, this is Jalpak here.
And this is Mandeep here, and we are going to present on logic probes. A logic probe is a handheld device test probe used for analyzing and troubleshooting the logic state 0 or 1 of a digital circuit. So this is a schematic of logic probe 1. This is a logic digital tester circuit. It uses an input voltage about 5 volt and uses an integrated circuit LM324. It uses very low current, about 10 milliampere. It uses two states that shows LED 1 green be the level high and LED 2 red be level low, and LED 3 yellow indicates pulse. These are the parts used to make logic probe 1. So I've used some ICs, transistor, potentiometer, resistors, LEDs, and alligator clips.
Here is the schematic of the logic probe 2. The logic probe is made using the comparators. Each comparator has the threshold adjustment potentiometer so that it may be set to indicate its respective logic state only if the signal voltage is well within the range stated by the logic manufacturer. A logic probe is a very useful device. It indicates high and low logic states by means of LEDs. If the LED is green, it states the logic high, and if the LED is off, it states the logic low. When this logic probe circuit is connected to VCC and VEE power supply terminals of a power TTL circuit, what voltage level should test point TP1 and TP2 be adjusted to in order for the probe to be properly indicate high and low TTL logic states? Consult a datasheet for the quad NAND gates numbered either 74LS00 or 54LS00. Here are the part list for the logic probe 2. Here, as we said, we use two comparators, resistors, and LEDs.
So these are the parts I found on DigiKey to make my logic probe, and it also shows the price of the parts used. This is a general schematic of a logic probe. And function of a probe is to reduce loading effect on the circuit under test, to compensate for the effect of test cable capacitance, and to permit the measurement of large voltage. Here are two types of logic probes. The manufacturer for the first one is Vocals, and the price for the logic probe is $86. And the other logic probe is manufactured by Elenco, and the price for that is $25.
Here is some more specification of the logic probe. Here it says all the specification about the logic probe. As we all know that every equipment has some pros and cons, as well as the logic probe has some advantage. The main advantage of the logic probe is its low cost. As the circuit is so simple and easy to make, the logic probe price goes down, so it is very easy to manufacture. The second advantage of the logic probe is its ease of use. As the circuit is simple, it's easy to use it and understand it.
And some disadvantages of a logic probe is it's very rough. It has very rough measurement. The nature of a logic probe means that only an indication of the presence of logic signal can be detected. It is not replacement of a test instrument such as an oscilloscope. Another disadvantage is that it has a poor display. A logic probe only uses a few LEDs to indicate the nature of the logic signal. As a result, little information can be displayed about the nature of the logic signal that is detected.
Thank you for your precious time and listening to us.
Thank you.